Join us as we go to one of the most tropical islands in all of Malaysia to find the only mosque on this island. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Good morning from Kuala Besut. Now we are currently at a jetty station, and from here we are going to get a boat to go to one of the most remarkable places in all of Malaysia, the Perhentian Islands, and I'm going to show you as much as I can and a unique sight when I get there as well. We're going to go and grab some breakfast. I'm going to have some roti banjit special because I've been really excited to have that for a long time. I'll show you what it is and how much it costs as well. Alright guys, I just want to give you guys a quick glimpse of the food that we're having. This is called roti banjit, and here we also have a banana roti. Kind brother Dean was just telling me that the roti canai here, what I just had roti banjit, is 150 ringgits, but if you go to the Perhentian Islands it's around 5 ringgit, so it's very, very expensive.
Mineral water?
Yeah.
Here, 2 ringgit. In Ireland, maybe 5 ringgit, 4 ringgit.
Why so expensive?
No. You know that nasi goreng?
Yeah.
Nasi goreng.
Yeah.
Here, maybe 7 ringgit, 8 ringgit. In Ireland, 1.50. 1.5.
I think I'll just have my water and I've got some food. That's it. Okay guys, so I'm going to quickly tell you guys a little bit about the prices. It costs 35 ringgits per person to go from here to the Perhentian Islands, and 35 the same on the way back. So for one adult it's 70 ringgits a return. For child it's 35 ringgits, so it's half the price return. There's a few ticket providers here. Apart from the ticket for the speedboat, you also need to pay for conservation fees. You get this ticket here, it's 30 ringgits. And lastly, you need to pay a 5 ringgit charge for I think that's also somewhat part of the conservation fee as well, so about £20. So £20 to go to Perhentian Islands and come back. You can go for the day and come back, or you can simply just go there and stay a few nights and then come back. So let's head over this way here, where we're going to go and grab the boat. So this here is the boat that we'll be taking, and it looks like it's just the two of us by ourselves. It really is a breath of fresh air to get away from the mainland, from Peninsular Malaysia. The views are already starting to look breathtaking. As you can see, we're leaving behind mainland Malaysia. So after that very, very choppy ride, we have finally made it onto the Perhentian Island. Now there's two Perhentian Islands. There's one small and one big. Now we're on the small one to come and find the hidden gem of a mosque here, but I just want to show you guys the beautiful beach here. As you can see just over there, empty beaches, plenty of restaurants and stuff around, and as you can see all these boats are waiting here to take people back to mainland Malaysia, the Peninsular Malaysia. Two of the reasons why we came is because we want to visit a really nice beach and visit the amazing mosque here. But before we go, I want to show you guys this amazing village area here. This is known as the fishing village, and this is basically where some tourists come sometimes, but it's basically where some of the residents of the island live. And as you can see, it's not that busy here. They're going about their lives, there's schools here, stuff like that. So it's nice to come and actually absorb the local culture here before you head off into one of the more spectacular, scenic, pristine beaches. Alright, so we're about to get a water taxi right now to head over to a beach called PIR Beach. It's one of the best beaches here, we've been told, and it's on the big island. So we are getting this local over here to take us in one of his boats. Check this out here. This is the Perhentian Island Resort, but it is so empty. Look at the beach. There's hardly anybody here. It's low season right now. Amazing beach. This is probably by far one of the best beaches I've ever been to. So I hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage of the Perhentian Islands from above. We've got the entire beach to ourselves. But now you guys have been waiting for this. We're gonna go and show you guys the only mosque on these islands. There are smaller kind of prayer areas, but this is like the only established big mosque on this island, and it is spectacular. So we're going to head off there now to the fishing village and show you guys the beautiful mosque. So let's go there right now. For the best part in this video, we have finally come to this absolutely amazing mosque. Now, this mosque here is literally the only mosque on these islands, the Perhentian Islands. There are smaller kind of prayer areas, but this is literally the only mosque. When I found out about this, I just had to come out here. It's literally on the water's edge. Now I'm going to quickly take you guys around to give you guys a quick tour before I show you some absolutely breathtaking and remarkable footage of this mosque. So this mosque is a fairly new development. It's not been around for that long, but you can see the women folk can go around here. It says Ruang Salat Muslimat. So the women folk can go through here and the men folk can do the wudu here. And you come down here, you can get some shade if it's really warm throughout the day. Down here again, have you ever seen a mosque like this? There are a few mosques around the world which are like this, but this one is absolutely breathtaking because the waters here are very crystal clear. And I absolutely love the kind of pyramid shaped, the kind of like a Nusantara style, I think it is. Nusantara, Indonesian style roofs. The Meri roof style, they're not exactly triple layered. But if we come around here, we'll see if we can go inside the prayer hall, and I'll try to show you guys what it's like inside the prayer hall as well. What I absolutely love about the main prayer hall is the views that you get. Beaches close by, so if you come out here, you actually have a breathtaking beach just over there. If you zoom in, you should be able to see the beautiful beach located just over there. You can get glimpses of it. But then also over here, you have some splendid views of the South China Sea as well. So this is like the main courtyard of the masjid. And again, you have women prayer facilities literally just behind where we went along this side here. And there's all these kind of like sarongs and stuff that you can wear if you're dressed in shorts or whatever it is. So a beautiful place to kind of like catch a break if you like. Come here, pray your salah and head back to mainland Malaysia. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour of the mosque so far. I'm going to now show you guys some awesome drone footage of this mosque, what it looks like from above. Let's go. Alright guys, if you come to the Perhentian Islands, don't just think it's all about the beaches. I mean, it is for the large part, but also don't be afraid to go for a walk. As you can see, just over here, we've got some stairs going all the way up. You can go for a hike along the kind of hiking routes through the jungle as well. Take your precautions, obviously, from mosquitoes and things like that. But really, there's so much more to do than just beaches, laying by the beach. But if that's all you're tempted by, there's no problem with that either. You can stay here all day long, as we've done so. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you've got anything to share about the Perhentian Islands. Have you ever been here before? Are you wanting to go? Do you think it's better than some of the bigger kind of names out there like Maldives or, for example, like, let's see, Barbados or Fiji? What do you guys think? Like, is it sold on you? Are you planning on coming here soon, inshallah? But really, it's one of the best places that I've been to, one of the best beaches, really, really crystal clear waters, blue waters, and I'm definitely going to be putting this on my list to come back to again, inshallah. But yeah, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in another video. Take care, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu from the beautiful, remarkable, tropical Perhentian Islands.